morning, students. My name is Bharti. Welcome to Bharti Boarding School. I am your maths teacher, and today we are going to continue our exercise 13.2. Any doubt from 13.1, Sensi? And 13.2, question 1 and question
No,
2?
ma'am.
Okay, now we will
No, ma'am.
going to continue our 13.2, question 3. Read the question. Sensi, read the question, dear.
A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. See figure
Speed, not
13.11.
speedily, not speedily. Read it gradually.
A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long.
Mm-hmm.
The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The
Mm-hmm.
outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its
Yes.
inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, total surface area.
Yes. Here it is your pipe. This is your pipe. Okay. This is your pipe.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the inner and the water section pipe? Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
water section of the pipe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the section. Okay. Now the pipe length is 77 meter long. It is 77 centimeter. Sorry, centimeter long. Okay. And the inner diameter. Inner diameter means this diameter. Inner diameter is 4 centimeter. Okay. And outer diameter is being 4.4. It is outer diameter. Center is same
Yes,
because both
ma'am.
the circles are concentric. Concentric means centers that sorry, circles that have common center. Okay, this is inner diameter and this is called outer diameter. Okay, and outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the inner radius? Length is equal to 77 centimeter. Inner radius, what is the inner radius? It is
4.4 centimeter, ma'am.
it is 2 centimeter. And what is outer radius?
4 centimeter.
4.4 centimeter. Sorry, 2.2, half of dress. It is 2.2 centimeter. Is it clear, Sansi?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 2.2 centimeter. Now what is to be found? Inner curved surface area. Inner CSA. Tell me what is the inner curved surface area. You have to use inner radius and length is same in both the methods. Okay. Now find out the sorry. What is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder? It is 2 pi RH.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is 2. Pi is 27. What is R? Inner radius. It is 2. And what is H? It is 70.
77 centimeter,
Yes,
ma'am.
77. 1 will cancel, 7 will cancel this, and what is the area? It is 88 and 80. Multiply 88 with 11. I told you how to multiply 11 by some numbers by 11.
Yes, ma'am. 968, ma'am.
Yes, it is 968 what centimeter square. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is outer curved surface area? It is also same. You just replace the radius by 2.2 because the outer radius is 2.2. Now do in your notebook and tell me the answer. Outer curved surface area. Got the answer, Sensi?
No, ma'am.
It is done.
No, ma'am.
What is the outer radius? Outer radius. Tell me, Sensi, what is the outer radius? Outer diameter दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what will be the outer radius? It will be half
Ma'am,
of,
2.2 centimeter.
no, 2.2 centimeter. It is 4.4. 2.2 centimeter. Then what is the formula? CSA of cylinder. It is 2 pi r h. Okay. 2 into,
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
value of pi? It is 22 upon 7. What is the radius?
25.7.
It is 2.2.
1.2.
You just remove the decimal divided by 10. Okay. What is the height? Height is same, 77. Okay. Now solve it. 7 will cancel this. And now what is the area? Outer curved surface area. It is 88. 22 into 22. It is 484. And multiply by this 2. 8 2 is 16. 968.
968.
It is 968.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything. Now multiply it by 11. 11 8 ja 88. 8 11 6 ja 66 and 8 74. 7 8 9 11 9 ja 99. 99 and 7. Tell me. 106. Okay, it is 106. Clear? Where will be the point?
Yes, ma'am. And the point taken.
It is 10648 upon 10. 106, okay, and 4 and 0.8 centimeter square. Now you got the two answers. Now what is the total surface area? What is the total surface area? You just see. This is your pipe.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What is the total surface area? Total surface area mean inner curved surface area, outer plus दादू से निकल रहा है. Outer curved surface area, TSA is equal to inner CSA plus outer CSA plus area of two bases. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, जो ये पाइप है बीच में से तो खाली है, यहाँ से तो ये खाली मतलब अनकवर्ड है ना, पाइप है ना, बीच में होल होता है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
तो हम एरिया कहाँ कहाँ का निकालेंगे? कहाँ कहाँ से हम पाइप को टच कर सकते हैं? बाहर से पूरा एरिया टच कर सकते हैं, पूरा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया.
Yes,
ठीक है.
ma'am. और अंदर से मैम.
अंदर से भी टच कर सकते हैं हम पूरा कर्व्ड सरफेस, यानी कि इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस आउटर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस. और कहाँ से टच कर सकते हैं हम? ये वाला हिस्सा तो है ही नहीं. ये वाला हिस्सा टच कर से हम थिकनेस ऑफ पाइप है ना, तो हमें ये चीज़ें ऐड करनी होंगी. इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, आउटर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया एंड एरिया ऑफ टू बेसिस. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, बड़ी रेडियस में से छोटी रेडियस क्या करनी पड़ेगी हमें? माइनस करनी पड़ेगी ना, बड़ी रेडियस में से छोटी रेडियस, तभी तो ये आएगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. तो बस अब आपके पास दो तो निकल ही गए हैं, इनर और आउटर. बस आप ये निकाल लो, एरिया ऑफ टू बेसिस. एरिया ऑफ टू बेसिस का फॉर्मूला है वही 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर होता है ना, पाई आर स्क्वायर होता है ना बेस का फॉर्मूला. ओके, इट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर बिकॉज देर आर टू बेसिस, देन 2 पाई एंड आर रेडियस 1 माइनस रेडियस 2 स्क्वायर में. ठीक है. फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? इट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर फॉर बेस, because we have two ready, then we have to subtract smaller radius from larger
Bigger
radius. Okay. Now I'm going to erase all the. What is the inner CSA? Inner CSA was 968 centimeter square. What was the outer CSA?
Ma'am,
It is 1064.8 centimeter square. Okay, now area of base we are going to find. Area of two bases. It is 2 pi bigger radius square minus smaller radius square. Okay, it is 2. What is the value of pi? It is 22
22 by 7.
radius square. Bigger radius 2.2 square minus
2
smaller
square
radius 2
minus
square.
2
Okay,
square.
2 into 22 upon 7. What is the square of this? It will be 4.84.
4.8.
Yes, and what is the square of this? It is 4.
4.
2 into 22 upon 7 into what is this? 4 point 0 point
4.8,
0 point
ma'am.
hmm?
8, ma'am.
Why 8?
Ma'am, 4.0.80.
4.84 minus 4, it will be 0.84. Okay, now cancel all the sections.
Ma'am, 11 into 0.84.
Mm-hmm.
11 by 7 into 0.84, ma'am.
11 by 7.
Into
Where is
0.84.
11?
Ma'am, after crossing it.
वो तो वहाँ पे था ना 2 पाई आर एच. इसमें हमें एच नहीं चाहिए ना. इसमें तो एच है ही नहीं. सर्कल में कहाँ एच होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
सर्कल में एच होता है?
No,
हाइट
ma'am.
होती है. फिर सिलेंडर में हाइट होती है. जब हम इस चीज़ की बात कर रहे थे सी एस से की, तब हमारे पास हाइट होती है. सर्कल में हाइट थोड़ी होती है. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है सिंपली. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करो. 222 ये आ जाएगा आपका 44 इंटू 0.84. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करो. Can it cancel? 7 1 जा 7 0, 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is 44 into 0.12. Multiply 8, it will be 5.28. Okay, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
found all the areas: inner cut surface area, outer cut surface area, area of two bases. Now add all of them. Wait, it is 10648 and 968.0 and 5.28. Add all. It will be 8, 10, 12 and 5 17 and 1 18, 1 13, 1 10, 1 2038 2038.08 centimeter square is the total surface
Cut
area
area.
of this pipe. Now understood how to find out this kind of questions? You have to
Yes,
check
ma'am.
the area that can be touched by you. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
जब भी आपको इनर और आउटर दिए जाएंगे आपको ऐसे ही सॉल्व करना होगा. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, एनी डाउट एनीवेयर?
No, ma'am.
श्योर. Okay, now see question number 4. Read the question carefully. The
The
diameter
diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square.
Yes. Here it is a road roller. You seen road roller?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it kind of road roller. Okay. It is also a cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. And the diameter is, what is the diameter? It is 84 centimeter. And what is the length? 120 centimeter. It takes 150 complete revolution. Revolution means chakra. Okay, 120 500 चक्कर लगाता है to move once over to level playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. The unit we have, that is in centimeter, and the question is demanding the answer in meter square. Then what is the diameter, sorry, radius? Radius is half of diameter, that is 42 centimeter. And height and length are same. Height or length. Okay. Then what you have to find out? Which portion
In
is to be used in road in leveling the playground?
ma'am, outer.
Which portion of the road roller? TSA or
Out.
CSA?
CSA, ma'am.
Yes.
CSA, ma'am.
TSA यूज होगा कैसे?
No, ma'am. CSA.
ये वाला पोर्शन भी यूज होता है जब हम रोड को लेवल में करते हैं. होता है?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
नहीं होता है. ओनली CSA इज टू बी यूज्ड इन लेवलिंग द road. Okay. Then what is the CSA? CSA of cylinder. What is the formula? It is 2 pi r h. 2 pi is 22 upon 7. What is the radius? It is 42. What is the height? It is 120. Okay. Cancel and find the final answer
Okay, ma'am.
of this step.
Two 64 into 120. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 31,680 is the answer.
Yes. It is 7 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja 42. It is, what is the answer?
31,680.
80 centimeter square. It is centimeter, and the question is demanding the answer in meter
Meter
square.
square.
Then what will you do?
Ma'am, convert into meter.
Huh? Yes, repeat.
Ma'am, will
जब भी
convert
आप
into
सेंटीमीटर्स को मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, आप क्या करते हैं? डिवाइडेड बाय
ma'am.
100.
Yes, ma'am.
और जब आप सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर को मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तब आप क्या करेंगे?
Multiplied by 100.
ओफो नहीं बेटा, स्क्वायर कर देंगे बस. 100 का स्क्वायर 420 और बढ़ जाएंगी. क्योंकि
Yes, ma'am.
स्क्वायर में है ना, जब स्क्वायर में होते हैं तो हम 10,000 से करते हैं. नाउ मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 31,680 अपॉन 10,000. हाउ मेनी जीरो? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. इट इज 3.10168 मीटर square. Okay, this is the CSA of the roller. And how many complete revolution?
Ma'am, 500.
500. Then area of playground is equal to 3.168 into 500. Find out the final answer. Find out.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the final answer? The final answer is 1584 meter square. Okay, is it clear? Sense, is it clear, dear? समझ में आ गया? Read the question number 5.
A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in a diameter and 3.5 in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of
What is the
2.50 pounds.
height?
Ma'am, 3.5 meter.
And what is the diameter?
Ma'am, 50 centimeter.
Any difference? In mensuration, in area, surface area, it is the first rule that you have to check the unit first. What is the unit? One is centimeter and one is meter. Both the units are different.
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे पहले आपको यूनिट्स चेक करनी है. अगर आपने यूनिट्स चेक नहीं की तो आप ऐसे ही शुरू हो जाओगे, आपका पूरा आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, a cylindrical pillar. What is the diameter? The diameter is 50. And what
50.
is the height? It is centimeter. And what is the height? 3.5 meter. Convert it into centimeter or convert it into meters. It is your choice. Convert both in meters, and whether convert both in meters or convert both in centimeter. What do you want?
Meter, ma'am.
Meters? Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why? Yes. Now convert into in meters, it will be 0.50. And what is the radius now? Radius is half of diameter. Then it is 0.25 meters. Then
0.25.
2.25. Why 2.25? Only 50 is here. 20 25 to the 50. Okay. Find the cost of painting curved surface area of the pillar. What is the demand of the answer? Curved surface area. Okay.
Curved surface
What is
area.
the CSA? Formula of CSA? CSA of cylinder. It is 2 pi r h. It is 2. It is pi and radius is 0.25. Can we put here 25 upon 100? Can we? Because I
Yes, ma'am.
removed the decimal. And what is the height? Height is 35 upon 10. Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
cancel the do not remove the 10. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. Multiply all these numbers. 2 into 22 into
Okay,
25
ma'am.
into 5. Multiply.
44 into 5. Fifty-five hundred.
It is 55.
5500, ma'am.
55
100.
and zeros. Yes, 5500 upon 1000. Where will be the point?
And the point with 5.
Huh? It will be 5.5 meter square. What is the area of pillar? CSA of pillar? It is 5.5 meter square. Now
5.5
cost
meters.
is given. Cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Okay. Cost of painting per meter square equals to 12.50 rupees, and cost of painting, our area is 5.5 meter square. It will be less or more?
And more.
Yes, and for more we go for, जब भी हमें ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई तो करते हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
12.50 इंटू 5.5 multiply 12.50 and 5.5. You just simply multiply, forget the decimals, simply multiply these numbers. Okay, keep it here
Yes,
100,
ma'am.
here 10, remove the decimal. Okay, now multiply.
68.75.
It is 0, 25, 5 plus 10 and 2, 5 and 5,
68.75, ma'am.
8.75, 8.75. It is 68 upon 1000. Where will be the point? It will be
Ma'am, 68.
68.75. What is this? Unit. What is the unit?
6,
It
ma'am.
is rupees, because we are finding out the cost. Okay? Is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now read the question number 7. Sorry, 6. Curved surface area of right
Curve.
circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. It is given now. Curved surface area is given. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7, find its height. Are you able to do it? Then try to solve it. It is given now. You just whenever the area is given, then you just write the formula CSA equals to 2 pi RH. उसके पास जो भी चीज़ें आपकी गिवन है आप उसके नीचे लिखते चले जाओ. CSA आपको गिवन है, लिख दो इसके नीचे. 2 तो आपको पता ही है, पाई भी आपको पता ही है, रेडियस भी आपको पता है, आपको हाइट नहीं पता है, बाकी चीज़ें इधर उधर कर लो. ठीक है, ऐसे करना है. करो, सॉल्व करो. What is the height?
Mm.
It is 4.4. Then remove the decimal. 7 will cancel 7. This
Yes,
10 will
ma'am.
cancel this 10. Okay. Then it is 44 and it is 44h. Okay. What is the height? 44 upon 44. What is the height? 1.
1.
1 what? Meters.
1 meter square, ma'am.
No, not meter square. It is only height. Okay. It is area that is written in meters and centimeters square.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
small question. Short
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, read the next. Inner diameter of a curved surface area. Inner diameter. It is the depth. Find the inner curved surface area. Cost of plastering the curved surface area at the rate of 40 per meter square. Cross check the units first. हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? इट इज इनर कर्व सरफेस, इनर डायमीटर गिवन है, डेप्थ गिवन है,
Ma'am,
का
it's
भी इनर ही है, आउटर का कोई वो नहीं है, मतलब नहीं है, तो हमें डायरेक्ट निकाल देना है. देन फाइंड आउट. Diameter is equal to 3.5 meter. What will be the radius?
ma'am.
3.5 upon 2 meters. Okay, you just do it 20. 35 upon 20. Why 20, Sensi? We just removed the decimal. 2 into 10. Okay. Now
Okay,
what is
ma'am.
the depth? Depth or height are same.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the depth?
Depth
It is
is
10
10 meter, ma'am.
meter. Units are same. Meter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the CSA. 2 pi r h. 2 into what is the pi? 22 upon 7. What is the
22.7.
radius? 35 upon 20.
And
And what is the height? 10. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 2 1 ja 2, 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja
35.
35. Then what is, it is 110 meter square. Now the cost of plastering the curved surface area per meter square. What is the final answer? What is the final cost? Cost
40
of
per minute.
plastering per meter square equals to 40 rupees 40. cost of plastering, what is our area? 110 meter square is equal to more or less?
More, ma'am.
Yes, 40 into 110, two zeros and 4400 rupees. Okay, 4400 rupees. Correct? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, what is the next? In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter is 5 meter. Find the total radiating surface in the system.
Ma'am, radiating surface means?
अ, ये ऐसा होता है ना हमारा वो गीजर,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो कौन सा हिस्सा रेडिएट करता है हमारा? मतलब पानी का जो ये निकालना है हमें सिलिंड्रिकल. You just find out the CSA. CSA. Total radiating surface in the system equals to curved surface area of cylindrical pipe. Okay. Total radiating surface in system equals to